Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NocoDB roles and permissions for apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download NocoDB roles and permissions for your apps, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official NocoDB website. Once on the home page, locate the documentation section in the navigation menu. Click on the documentation link to access the user guides and resources. In the documentation, search for the Roles and Permissions section. Read through the information provided to understand the structure and functionality. Next, go to the NocoDB GitHub repository for the most current releases. Sign in to your GitHub account if prompted. Locate the Releases tab in the repository. Click on the latest release version to view the downloadable files. Find the file that contains the roles and permissions data. Click the download link next to the file to begin downloading. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the downloaded file if it is in a compressed format. Open the extracted folder to view the roles and permissions files. Familiarize yourself with the file structure and the information contained within. If you need to import these roles into your NocoDB instance, follow the provided instructions in the documentation. Ensure that you properly configure any settings according to your application's needs. With everything set up, you can now manage roles and permissions effectively within NocoDB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.